Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So this Lister postal borer, about 4 years ago, before I went into this YouTube business properly, I've been in YouTube, well, I've been posting YouTube vids off and on for years, but I only went, properly once a week, whatever, a few years ago. So about 4 years ago, I did this and never filmed it. So that shaft was bent on it. That box there was twisted, and this box here was twisted and bent. So new mainframe to it, and we changed shaft then. Had a new shaft made out of steel then. We bent it last year when a drill hit a stone and it, bit of boulder or whatever in the ground.
All right, hold on, I'm pushing through it.
And it twisted over. So that's bent again.
As crooked as a dog's hind leg.
So I'm going to take this gearbox off now. And we had a new shaft made out of EN8 steel instead. EN8 is it's a better grade of steel, stronger stuff. And you use it for making digger pins. With buckets now, we use those for pins. So it's better stuff. So job today now is to take this box off, then open up and wash it so I can actually change that shaft. For someone who has one of these Lister ones, this bit of gearbox is threaded. So this threads in, and then you have a nut on the inside to actually lock it in place. So what I did was slacken that nut off a bit when I use impact, and I could slacken it all through then, both sides. So look at that now. Lovely. So the 3 bolts on the top there are to basically shim this end cap down. You see the shaft's welded there. I think last time we couldn't actually unbolt this and pull it out because it's so bent it wouldn't pull out. So I had to grind it and knock it downwards. So I'll take it up to the shed for now, and maybe I'll scrape that bit out of it. Instead of cleaning it out, I just got some aluminium foil, or aluminum foil as Americans say.
The aluminum sign.
It's aluminium.
No, it's not.
It is. It's got a U in it.
And I've just sort of covered up, so I don't need to worry about grit going over grease or sort of starting fire. Well, shouldn't start as many fires when I'm welding in. Hopefully not, anyway. So I welded the middle, and now I'm going to take a rag and wipe all this grease off the edge here, so I can put some silicone on. So this Lister postal borer now, a shaft going there, and a sprocket and chain there, that's actually chain, that goes to a pinion then to drive this gear. And then it goes to the middle bit that drives the shaft down.